Okay, guys, I'm telling you the concept of inflation. Anyway, you heard many times when you come across the business line newspaper, when you come across the almost all English newspaper, there's the word called inflation. Even though simultaneously you may have a knowledge about deflation and stagflation, right? The inflation normally you know that the general increasing of the price on commodities. So this is a basic knowledge about the inflation, right? Inflation is too much of inflation is too bad for the country. Even the deflation is also bad for the country. For maintaining the stability in the country, the maintaining the stability of the inflation, it is a duty of the central bank of every nation, right? In India, RBI can do. But what is the mathematical calculation? How you are going to measure? When you are purchasing any kind of goods, already you are paying a tax in the form of GST, 5%, 12%, 18%, even 28% for the luxurious goods, right? Even every grocery materials is increasing when inflation is getting higher and higher day by day. So I mean to hear what I am trying to say here is don't purchase the much of goods when country is affecting and a high rate of interest rate, right? So for the illustration, anyway, you have a knowledge about this being in economics, okay? Already you know the things, how the progressive economy is going into the next world. It's always economy always in the perspective of in a future perspective. So according to that, so you should always analyze when you are spending the money, because it's spending the money is depend upon the purchasing power of parity. Where you are spending the money is a particular good. It may be the goods is costlier in the other country. It may be goods is less value in the other country. There has always been disparities between country and also spending the money from your pocket, right? Let us discuss the inflation calculation of an economy. How you are calculating? Higher, first you can see the first instance. So higher inflation, higher interest rate. So higher inflation, higher interest rate. You as a person, okay, in the year of 2019. So idli vada, the per plate of idli vada rate is okay 50 rupees. Okay, you have a 1 lakh rupees. Okay, you kept this money in a bank. You kept this money in a bank, okay? But in the 2020, you are keep this money in a bank with the 10% interest rate and also 10% inflation, because high rate of interest and high rate of inflation in the year of 2020, right? The idli vada rate is also increases by 10% from 50 to 10% is the idli vada rate is become 55. Ultimately, for your principal amount, 1 year later, you receive 1,10,000 rupees, right? But now you can calculate 1 year later, what is the idli vada rate? How many plates idli vada you will get by 1,10,000 rupees. Now 1,10,000 rupees divided by 55. You will get 2,000 plate of idli vada. When in the higher inflation rate and higher interest rate. Okay, I hope that this is clear the concept. Next, in the second instance, lower inflation and lower interest. Right? The same instance here, you as a person in the 2019, okay, per plate of idli vada is 50 rupees. Okay. Again, you are going to keep this money 1 lakh rupees in an interest. Okay. Now let us see. The comparatively, I said in the lower interest rate, lower inflation. The interest rate is 5.5%. Interest rate has been increases from 2019 to 2020. Here 10% interest rate has been increased. Here 5.5. Also the lower inflation. Lower inflation is 7%. Here inflation is 10%. Here inflation percent is 7%. The same also whenever the idli vada rate has been increases. 52.75, because so 50 rupees 5.5%, it will become the per plate of idli vada is 52.75. Anyway, you will receive 1 1 lakh rupees. After the year later, okay, 1 lakh 7,000. 1 lakh 7,000. Now you are calculate per plate of idli vada. 1 lakh 7,000 divided by 52.75. Okay, so you will get 2028 plates of idli vada. So what I am trying to say here is, so here principal and interest is 1,10,000 rupees, but you only get in 2,000 plate of idli vada. Here 1,07,000 is your return, but you will get 2,28 plates of idli vada. Why? The always what I am trying to prove over here is lower inflation, lower interest rate is always better than higher inflation and higher interest rate. Of course, some people is having idea about for this principal amount. In here, the principal amount is 10,000. Here, principal amount is 7,000. If you divide this principal amount by the rate of idli vada, so it will come 200, right? And also, you can divide this 52.75. It will come 132 plates. By the interest, you will get 200 plates of idli vada. By the interest, you will get 132 plates of idli vada. When you are thinking about the interest, that is not a good sign. You should also check it out. What is the inflation rate is going on in particular country, or particular economy, or particular segmentation. Right? So always you should think about your principal amount and interest rate. So when you think overall principal amount, interest rate, you will get total number of plates in Toda in the lower rate and lower interest rate as you compare the higher rate and higher inflation. So here you should always spend the money wisely. So when you are calculating or when you are purchasing the goods, or even this is also impact on the services, this is also impact of the every grocery you buy for the daily uses, right? The thing is, somebody are offering, economy is going in a higher rate and somebody offering a higher FD rate, interest from the bank, right? That is not a right sign. You should also parallelly, you should check it out, what is the inflation of the country. So my strong advise that don't purchase the goods when country is the high inflation, because already you are paying a tax in the form of GST. When you are purchasing the one goods, you are paying the tax double time. Double time means one is in the form of GST, another one is inflation is also hidden tax, right? But it can't be seen in the any of the tax invoices. But anyway, in the indirect form, you pay the tax double time. Right? So by telling this concept, I am going to sign off this session. Thank you.